Hello?
What would you like to order?
Yeah, could I get a number 1, please?
With everything on the burger?
Yes, please.
And what's your drink?
Coke?
Would that be all?
Yep.
$8.39. You can drive up.
Let's see if it'll start back up. Here we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Compulsion TV. Today we are on our way to Norwalk to 88 Labs, which is a good friend of mine, Ricky's shop. He's a fabricator, so we're bringing Matt's 2005 ACR down there to get a downpipe fabricated and a custom wastegate dump, hopefully, depending on where we're going to route this thing. If not, it's going to just be traditional, right down under the car, but we are shooting for it to try and get it out the side of the fender since there's no accessories really in this car. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. It's just a straight dump off the O2 housing right now, straight down. So we have to fabricate a V-band downpipe to mate up to the MPX 3-inch side exit. And like I said, that custom dump tube. Come on, Ricky. We know you're going to come through for this one. We know you love your pie cuts. But right now we're just at Dutch's. Gonna grab some food. Go down to the shop, see what Ricky's got going on over there. I know he's got a nasty Evo over there right now that we're gonna do a little walkthrough on. Most likely a couple BMWs, which is his expertise. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what else is going on. From what I heard, there was a Grand National there, which that car, one day you'll see one of those on this channel. Like eating some french fries and listening to that turbo whistle. Everybody, this is Ricky. We're at 88 Lab today. Ricky's doing some welding on an 03 Evo 8. Clearly it's a full race car. He's doing a full cage. Where's this car from, Ricky?
This car is from White Plains.
White Plains. Clearly it's a big build. I see the little stuff going inside. Look at the Kirky in there. Car's fully slicked up. Who's your QuickTime Pros? Looks like it's got a solid build under the hood. Let me get some light on there. I can't take this shit serious with Free Willy playing in the background, but it looks like we got a nice Turbo Smart blow-off valve in there. Some thick piping. Twin scroll 64, 66. Built 2.4 liter. Coil on plug. What's done to the head on this thing, do you know?
I am not sure.
No.
Car's built by DDA Tune. I think they're up in Newburgh area.
This thing is beautiful. Go follow this guy. Do that. Ricky's doing a monster cage in this thing. He's got some nice AEM gauges in here. Got his cluster zip tied to the bar. Looks like all the sound deadening's out of it. Wow.
It's a little bit of a bitch, but
It looks like it. All V-band. Is that all V-band all the way forward?
yeah, V-band the world.
V-band the world, baby. Comes up and over. Out. That looks good as hell, dude. Hey, look at the fucking...
I'll drop it down later.
Yeah.
See the Turbski.
Yeah, we gotta see the turbo.
Turbski.
You did the intercooler too?
Nah, I came
No.
with that big fucking burger.
Oh
That
yeah.
thing is huge. Uh-oh. There she is.
6870.
Ready to make the stink.
Oh yeah, she's gonna make a big stink. Oh. Don't forget to put the power on.
Is it done yet?
Almost there. Welcome, Matt. You
You hear that, Matt? You're welcome.
You Sasquatch.
We're out here all day and you're not even here.
Guys in Vermont.
Guys in Vermont chilling, riding a snowmobile around.
I bet you he's the type that goes snowmobile and then hops in the jacuzzi.
Oh, he does hop in the jacuzzi. You know what? I should post a video, a picture of him in the jacuzzi right after this. But no, he said, huh?
Thanks for the invite.
Yep. Thanks for the invite, Matt. We're sitting here slaving away. Oh, and just for future reference, is that hot?
No.
This was not done by 88 Lab at all. This was a, this piece came on a car that I had previously bought. And,
Matt special?
yeah, this is the Matt special. We're doing this car on a budget, so we have this shit weld in the corner, but we have this beautiful, nice V-band put on the end by Ricky, and he's gonna make the whole thing work. 88 Lab.
I'm pretty
What,
sure
this?
that popcorn
I guess it
holds
looks better than
better
seeing it in there.
Oh yeah, it looks way better out here.
I meant that.
Jason,
What'd you do?
Jason Schmuck weld,
Holy
Ricky
shit.
Ferris weld.
You're a dick.
We're making progress. She's getting there. Ricky's getting ready to weld up the downpipe now. Purging it.
Don't look, it's bad for your eyes.
Macy's after Christmas sale has all the stuff Santa
Yeah, it's good for you.
Get an extra 20 or 15% off with your receipt.
Downpipe's all welded. Looks good. Now we gotta get the O2 hung back on the turbo, connect the downpipe to it. And then we gotta wrestle We got to wrestle the side exit back in, so at least it's got the hangers on it still. We'll get it back up.
It's terrible.
Look who just walked in. It's the D. It's Tony Bartolini in the scheme. Baller. Bring it up.
Wait. Give me tape.
No, get the fuck out of here with
Yeah,
that.
tape it right here on the side.
Oh my god.
Watch out. Look over there.
Kick it, motherfucker.
The fuse was super short. I was scared.
It was.
Yeah, you're gonna get my fucking redneck hat fucked up over here.
Goddamn right. Take off that fucking Bruce Bailey or whatever the fucking his name is.
Luke
Wilson.
Sam Hunt. Yo, can I spin this or what? Is it so
Spin it a little bit.
Yeah, it done going nowhere.
Oh, that was a little too much. Go the other way.
More?
Yeah.
That's it. Run. Operation Dump Tube.
Hood rat shit.
Real hood rat shit.
It'll do it, but it'll bug out the ECU.
Think so?
Yeah.
We're just about to make a dump on this. It's gonna. We're indecisive right now if it's
I'm
gonna
about
go.
to take a dump.
Through the hood.
We're gonna go through the hood or the fender. So if we go through the hood, it's gonna come straight up, or we're gonna run it that way and talk it right out the fender. But we don't know which way it's gonna go yet. So Ricky's a little tired. We're all a little indecisive. Everybody's fucking grinding shit, cutting shit.
That's Gabe's head right here.
Pyro Ricky.
Got all kinds of shit on here.
Let's fire him out of a manifold. See if it can. Let's see if it can withstand the explosion of a fucking mortar. That's how you will test for anti-lag.
Yo, this is not safe.
Unravel that tube. Put it in the dump tube and fire it out of your hand.
Shit's super long. I guess they don't want you to blow your fucking hand off.
Yes, not. Oh, wait, no way. We doing right here?
Yeah, wait, what the fuck? Why wouldn't we do it? Don't do it next to the Evo.
Close to my shaft.
Do it off the roof of the
That shit's gonna tilt and blow right through Pedro's windshield, dude.
The windshield's in the front. My car's reversed.
It's gonna go right through the sunroof.
You have the flashlight?
It's gonna go right through the sunroof and burn the fucking interior.
Hell yeah! America!
Kwanzaa!
You said they're legit.
Go get me a beer.
What's your beer? I don't drink beer.
No, get me a beer.
I'm not your bitch.
All I wanted was a beer. Fucking do everything for this
This
fucking
is
guy.
pointing that shit right at my fucking pimple, bro. It's like holding right at
I
it.
go everywhere with this guy. I come with him, pick up carts and shit. I asked him to get me a beer and he can't even do that.
What do you do? What'd you fuck up?
What do you do? Oh, Ricky coming through with the cut. Oh, Jesus.
Would you look at it?
Just look at
Would you look at that? Yo, you gotta give me one of those sick teardrop fucking things.
I hope you're ready.
Give me one of these hoops right here. Hold on.
I hope you're ready to call Safe Lake, because every window is going to be fucking smashed
There you
out
go.
of that Jeep.
Give it to fucking Bevan. Wow.
Oh!
Motherfucker. No. I will have someone. Stop it. Yo, I'll knock you out, bro. You gotta reach first. I'll put you to sleep.
He'll give you that jujitsu right in your ass.
Yeah, I'll put your skinny ass to sleep, bro. Shit. Nah, don't do that. I got heart problem. I'll shit my pants. Oh shit.
Do it.
No.
Thumbnail for the video. Brazilian shit. $20 is $20, right?
Yo, that'll make one hell of a fucking clickbait
Let me say
thumbnail.
$20 first.
Brazilian shits pants and throws up on SRT.
No, I'll give you $20 if you let me tase you for 10 seconds.
Yo.
Fuck no.
Whoa, what the fuck? You just said 20
Hell
bucks
no,
is 20
Mike, you
bucks.
fucking
So you'll
do it.
suck his dick for $20, but you won't get.
I am not sucking on one's dick for $20.
He's the only a small one.
But I will get electrocuted and shit my pants. Not a problem.
I ain't doing that shit.
I'm walking away with the
not
fucking light.
Dude trying to work. Mike's got the light just waving around the fucking.
Fucking.
Oh,
Wait, hold on.
What?
You going? Oh my god. Wait. This. Oh. Fuck.
Do me a favor. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop talking.
In Ricky, we trust.
Yeah, we
There
do.
you go. Pile of holes.
Why are you shaking, Ricky?
Wow, someone bet the shit on my bit.
Dude, I'm more
Look at that
nervous.
shit.
I'm more nervous drilling through a fucking $2,500 car hood than my fucking $15,000
Yo, why is that joke? Oh no.
I was less nervous drilling through my jet ski.
That's bad.
Oh, it's good. Pedro.
It's like a bullet hole. Oh, we going from this way. Yo, spray water so it doesn't fuck up. That is so
I need to
bad.
get rid of this bit.
It's all straight?
Yeah.
Just hammer it out.
Sell yours and get
When in doubt, hammer out.
That's right.
Yamaha's are faster than not even fucking close.
Oh my god.
There it is. Now it's a fucking mess.
Is that glory hole?
Yeah, put your dick in it.
Hell no. Yo, if that shit's crooked, I'm gonna laugh.
It might be. It's a little off.
He left himself.
You making a teardrop?
Full send.
Full send.
Mike took it.
Oh man, let me see it. Here we go. See that, Matt?
That's a weak teardrop.
Yeah, buddy.
The bumper.
My prop.
You're on my way.
Shut the hell up.
That shit ain't changing color. It's running black.
Oh, let's turn it.
He's supposed to hold it straight.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to come in at an angle first.
I mean, we got all this to work with.
Fucking.
Fire it up.
Thanks, Mike. You're welcome. It sounds so weird right next to your ear.
Oh, I know. It's fuel. Big flame, little flame, or no flame?
That fucking psych ECU crackle is no joke.
I told you.
Just off a free rev, it's fucking crackle.
This is that Sasquatch down the. Yeah, hit that one right
Should we go home now?
You can go home now.
man's been working since like.
Been a long goddamn day.
Wait, hungry
He's been
already?
working. I've been sitting here supporting.
Dude,
He just got here.
Shit.
This dude's been fucking
What?
tasing people and trying to jujitsu motherfuckers.
What the hell?
I ain't you,
Typical Brazilian.
Yeah.
Trying to capoeira everybody.
you fucking trying to tase me.
All right. Well,
And Mac got hit.
good night to this beautiful blue beast. Ricky, shut the fucking lights off and let's go home.
Yo, stop.
And
stop,
you're buying me
stop.
goddamn
Yeah, I'm
Baconator.
buying them baconated.
Hell, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
bro.
We're out.
Say,
Yo, grab him.
Get that,
Yo, I'm gonna bring someone down.
somebody's gonna get that
Not
jujitsu
fucking
ass.
gonna be down with this.
Go ahead, one kick. That's all I need. It's one good kick into it.
I'm gonna take your ass. I'm gonna taste your ass, bro. Alright.
We almost hit his car.
Nah. That almost fucking.
Oh my god.
Ricky.
Alright,